Your products have a lot of properties to choose from, and your customers might not know how to find their perfect product right away. Tweakwise Guided Selling Module allows you to offer your customers an intuitive guide for finding their perfect product match. A guided selling dialogue filters your product range based on the answers your customers give to a series of understandable questions. These questions let you determine what your customers' wishes are. This is satisfying for your customer and profitable for you, as your customers will quickly move on to ordering their products. There are two types of guided selling: compare and funnel. Both of these are based on questions. Only the underlying method differs. A compare shows your customer the entire product category that you selected, sorted on relevance using the given answers. A funnel shows your customer a selection of products from the category selected, filtered using the given answers. So a compare always shows more products than a funnel. Let's create a funnel. Name the guided selling dialogue and give it a simple code. We want to find out which piece of furniture is right for this customer. Select a filter template and a sorting template that you want to be active on the results of your guided selling dialogue. Move on to the Pre-Select tab and select the category from which you want the guided selling dialogue to draw its products. You can also set an extra filter here to narrow down the initial selection. Now click Save and Continue. You can now set a property value that you want to draw products from if you want on the Pre-Select tab. You could only draw from a certain brand or maybe a color. Get creative. Now return to the General tab to start adding questions. Let's first find out what their preferred style is. Select the property that carries the relevant values, style in this case. You can add an explanation and an image for the question. Save to continue. Now determine if the question can only have one answer or if it's multiple choice. Also, set whether the question is skippable. Now, there are two ways to add answers. You can choose to use all the values in that property as answers automatically. The other option lets you add answers manually and link them to a value. You can set a subtitle, an additional explanation, an image, and property matching, which has 3 options. Based on values lets you select all values that are linked to the chosen property. Based on range, set this if the values are numeric. Do not match. This option selects all products. You could use this if you want to let your customer choose no preference. Now, a certain answer may affect the order of your questions. If you asked, "What color temperature would you like?" and the answer was warm, you would then want them to choose between shades of red and dark green, for example. This means that you want them to skip the question that contains the colder colors like blue and white. You can set this in the Dynamic tab. You're free to create guided selling dialogues in all possible creative ways. Have fun!